how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, what you want to do is to just search up for Visual Studio Code in your web browser, and then once you're here, what you want to do is to just click on Install VS Code on Windows right here, and then after that, what you want to do is to just click on this link right here, download the Visual Studio Code installer for Windows. So just click on this link right here, and then after that, it will now start downloading. So just wait for this download to finish. So after it's done downloading, just open up the installer, and then after that, what you want to do from here is to just click on I accept the agreement, click on next. Click on next again, click on yes, click on next, and you can also customize this section over here if you want to add a desktop icon, add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu, add open with code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu. So feel free to customize this section out. So for me, I'll just create a desktop icon, and then after that, just click on next, click on install, and then after that, just wait for the installation to finish. And then there you go, you've now installed VS Code. So after that, just click on finish. And then after that, VS Code will now be open. And then there you go, you can now start coding in VS Code. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11.